In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a course on Udemy. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. To get started, sign in to your Udemy instructor account and look for the Create Your Course button in the center of the page. Click it and you'll be guided to choose the type of content you want to make. Decide whether you're building a full course with lectures and quizzes or a practice test, and select the course option to proceed. After selecting course, continue through the prompts until you reach the title field. Enter a clear, working title that describes the main outcomes students will achieve. Keep it concise but descriptive so it helps you organize and later refine the final title for marketing. Click Continue when you're ready. Next, you'll indicate how much time you can realistically commit each week to creating and maintaining the course. Be honest here. Consistency matters more than speed. Once you set your weekly time commitment, click the Create Course button to establish your course shell. With the shell created, move into course planning by filling out the intended learner section. Clearly state what students will learn and any prerequisites or requirements they should have. This helps prospective students decide if the course is right for them and informs your curriculum choices. Now open the course structure area and complete the fields that apply to your course format and goals. Follow that with setup and test video where you'll provide information about your filming setup and any test clips you plan to use. This section ensures your production quality meets Udemy's guidelines. Proceed to the film and edit section and add the necessary details about how you'll capture and polish your lessons. Then navigate to the Curriculum tab to organize your course into sections and lectures. Within Curriculum, click Content to add individual items. Upload your lecture videos, quizzes, PDFs, or other resources according to your plan. Add each item with clear titles and descriptions so learners know what to expect. After building the curriculum, customize your course landing page. Write a compelling course description, choose an engaging course image, and create a promotional test video that showcases the value learners will receive. These elements are vital for attracting students. Set up automated course messages, including a welcome message for new enrollees and a congratulations message for students who complete the course. Finally, when everything looks complete and follows platform guidelines, submit your course for review. After submission, monitor any feedback and make requested changes so your course can go live.